viral on YouTube almost
Oh,
immediately.
they'll shut the internet down. That's gonna have to be a part of it. You know, if there's
Yeah.
gonna be this communist Marxist revolution takes place in this
Yeah.
country the way they want it to,
Yeah, exactly. They're gonna.
there's gonna have to be. They're gonna shut down the internet.
Yeah.
I guarantee you that
They're
it'll
gonna
happen.
do. They're gonna do whatever it takes to, shut it off and silence everybody. But still, it's gonna leak out somehow. Somebody's gonna say something. It's gonna spread like wildfire, and the next thing you might round up like what, maybe 10 people or something before it starts really spreading, and then
I don't know. You'd be surprised.
yeah. Yeah, well, I think everybody will
These
have.
Occupy vermin,
Yeah.
and they're gonna be out in full force this spring.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Probably triple what they were last year.
If what I wanted to say is, if you
They're
haven't,
no different than the brown shirts that Hitler had.
no different at all, and their intentions are almost the same, if not worse.
Hitler went and got a bunch of bums and lowlifes
in scum
to keep
Yeah.
the peace
Yeah,
for the Reich.
yeah, exactly. And what did that get everybody?
That 1,000-year Reich that lasted 12 years. How'd that work out?
It went over like a turd in a church punch bowl.
What are they
You know?
serving punch at church for?
I don't know.
Must be one of these progressive churches. Though.
Yeah, it's probably one of the 2% collective salvation.
Man, we got a church where we just all drink wine and we get smashed.
Well, what about that one guy? Remember we discussed that story the other day about the guy that was going to start a sex church?
I did, I think. I don't know.
Yeah, we did. We discussed that. Some hack thinks it's a good idea to start a sex church. Well, I am sure that God is just like, oh yeah, that I approve of that one. No way. No way, that's not going to go over very well with the big man upstairs. It just ain't going to happen, And that church
No.
ain't going to go far, and I guarantee you're going to get shut down because you'll
reference
yeah.
Phineas and Hophni, sons of Eli, in the book of 1 Samuel. If you want to see how that turned out.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. And then we were talking about, didn't you want to go into a little bit of the New Babylon or whatever that was? You were talking about it on our break. Not the break here.
New Babylon.
Well, that's what America
that's
is.
for another day.
Yeah,
that's another day.
That's like a full radio show right there. That one we're going to just have to dedicate a whole show to. And I probably have to just turn the main mic over to Jay, because it's going to require all of his attention to...
I would like to do a show. I mean, I would like to do one of these days, we really need to do a show about that is dedicated solely
Yes.
to the art of fine cuisine.
Oh, absolutely. With a pasta fazooz.
Italian, German, whatever.
It doesn't really matter. And then, we'll show you guys stuff. And, maybe we'll do a show totally dedicated to how to field strip your weapons and clean them properly. That'll get the left-wingers going crazy.
Oh, man.
I
can't believe these guys. What a bunch of hicks.
Yeah. Oh man, they're crazy, man. We can't listen to these guys. They're nuts, man.
They're nuanced.
They're
like out the window.
Yeah, they're totally.
Dear me, man.
They're totally totally nuanced. And look at them in their flannel shirts and their camouflaged hats. They're just a bunch of ignoramuses and racists sitting on their ass. Totally touting up the Republican Party line. In case you are interested in that, we're not promoting the Republican Party. We're not Rush Limbaugh, Hannity. We're not any of those guys. We are just a couple guys that don't like either side because we're sick of chocolate and vanilla.
Han Sanity.
Yeah. So,
you're a great American.
Yeah, go get your golf bag.
And you're a great Catholic, Hannity, by the way.
Yeah, great Catholic. You and Ann Coulter. I don't know about her. She's
Dude,
weird.
I want to know why and how that turkey gobbling She sounds like a turkey. If
I
turkeys,
know.
If turkeys could talk and turkeys had the ability to speak as we do,
Yeah, that would be Ann. That would be Ann Coulter.
She sounds like she's part turkey.
Yeah.
Somewhere in her gene pool there is turkey DNA, and I would almost guarantee
Yeah.
that it came from that Thanksgiving where she became an anorexic bulimic.
I think so. And on top of that,
how can you be both at once? Very easily.
Yeah, look at Nancy Pelosi. That's a perfect example.
There you go. Every time you look at her, you want to throw up.
Yeah, there we go.
So,
yeah.
Oh man.
So
I got sick of Ann Coulter. I turned off Fox News. In fact, I think the whole reason I don't watch Fox News anymore is because of Ann Coulter.
Yeah.
It's not because of Ben Gleck or
yeah.
O'Reilly.
Yeah.
I love O'Reilly. I mean, I think
yeah.
You know, I'm a big O'Reilly fan. Always have been.
Well, did you know he started out his career actually here in Denver? He worked for I think 7 News or something. They fired
he was
him.
out here. I remember him
They
out here.
fired him because he was digging too much into the nuances of the city.
I remember him on TV before I left. Before our family moved to Illinois.
Yeah.
I remember him.
Same bad attitude and
then he shows up. I didn't see anything. I was like, I remember that guy.
Yeah.
He came on Fox News right at the very beginning when Fox News first opened up.
Yeah. Yeah.
For business back in, what was it, 95 or 96?
Yeah, it was right when Clinton took...
it was in the middle of Clinton's term.
Reign of terror, right?
And that was when, Newt Gingrich was running Congress. And now he's running for president. And, he's still got the biggest puffy cheeks ever, and he's like a big puppy dog.
He looks like Puff the Marshmallow Man, doesn't he?
Puff Marshmallow. Puff Marshmallow speaker.
Yeah, he's kind of like... I always confused him for Ted Kennedy because they both look kind of the same,
I'm surprised they didn't have Condoleezza Rice run for president.
Oh, God, help us all. Oh, man. What a moron that one was. Oh my God. You want to talk about... Oh, yes. Well, let's do nation building. I'm sorry, folks. I'm going to go on a rant here for a second. You don't win a war by nation building. You win a war by destroying everything in your path, killing everything, and burning it to the friggin' ground and going home. That's how you win a war.
Yay! We win! What do you mean you win? Did you look at your country? It's decimated. Your leader is slain. I mean,
most of your people are dead. We left a couple as witnesses.
We went in there and did like Uncle Jay and pussyfooted, and we're still there.
Yeah, wow. We're still there. Yeah.
Almost 10 years later.
And trillions of dollars down the toilet, I might add. When the whole thing could have been done for what? Would you say 100 million with the bombs and just a one shock and awe.
Oh, the numbers are so out of control.
Yeah.
And either that just shows one of two things, it's probably all of the above, is that the U.S. dollar is so weak. When you hear, this one bombing run cost $190 million for one bombing run. 40 planes to take off. Wow. $190 million. How much does it cost just to make one of these jets now? It's like $20 million.
We're looking about $60 million a jet.
I was hearing like 20, but I don't even know. I've lost track of the numbers.
And it's like all they do is spend more and more and more.
And they hide the money. Darn well it does not take $20 million or even anywhere close to it to produce one of these airplanes.
No. It's done.
Now, they're high tech and the technology on them is advanced. So,
well, shit, you could fly one of these drones with your
iPad. I'd
say
millions, but somebody's got to make money on them.
Yeah.
So whoever's building them is getting paid.
Yeah, they're getting paid for sure, but I guarantee
and I'm not talking about the actual workers who are doing the work, actually building the airplane.
Yeah.
They're getting a wage, but somebody above them is getting paid.
Yeah, they're getting
by paid, I mean they're getting They're
Yeah.
bringing in some moolah with
And
these
they're
military
playing
contracts.
golf with their Republican and Democrat hack buddies on the golf course.
Oh, what do you think
Slapping
about us?
each other in the back.
Let's make sure in public that we argue and that we
Oh
stare
yes.
each other down.
Oh yes, man. You know, it was so great to play golf with you today. And then on
Yeah.
the very next morning, you see him on Crocs News or CNN.
This guy's a schmuck and a racist. He doesn't agree with O'Blamer.
And then he's like, yeah, well, you're a communist, verminist piece of crap.
And then
And
you
then-
hear O'Blamer out there. There's a lot of loose talk.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
I'm Barry Toro, and I approve this message.
I know. It's never ending. It's like this cycle of babble.
We just need everybody who doesn't agree with us to shut their mouths.
Yes, and if not, we will
Because
shut
I
you
am
up.
the most pompous piece of crap ever to walk on this planet.
And I will stick the long arm and the boot right on your friggin' necks, you vermin. Sorry.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, man.
Wow. Yeah. Oh. No. We're not playing that game.
No, we're
So, you know, I mean, that's what it boils down to, folks. I mean, we're dealing with a situation that's spiraled out of control, quite frankly, and we've seemed to have forgotten our roots.
not. Oh, definitely.
And I think it's because technology has become a distraction to everybody.
Well, it's
you
a
know, part of-
distraction,
Yeah,
and it's distracting us right now.
it is.
I mean, really,
It is, but
let's
you
get
know,
real.
we're trying to entertain you. So, of course, our entertainment I would consider wholesome compared to the garbage that you're seeing on TV every night.
Well, this is unscripted radio. We don't sit here and write this out for hours and hours.
Yeah.
We just give it to you how it is. We come to the table.
Yeah, and we don't have special guests.
Maybe
Well,
maybe
sometimes we
on
do.
some things we are mildly informed. We're not
Yeah,
totally informed on, the issues of the day, like gay marriage.
yeah,
and
or
global warming.
Yeah, or
And
yeah.
I'm sorry, we're not nuanced about those type of
No.
lame ass topics.
Yeah, we're not in the mood to discuss them
Because-
either.
You're dealing with a couple of real people here.
Yes, not mindless.
We're not on Fucanol. Sorry.
You're not dealing with Chris Matthews of
We work.
MSNBC
We pay
here.
taxes.
Yeah.
What else do I need to say?
Yeah, we actually work for a living with our hands.
We
you know?
understand the rule of if you don't work, you don't eat.
Yes, yes. We're not
Okay.
standing there with a sign that says, "Death to the banks." When the banks,
Well, we already know
Hey,
the banks
your
are gonna.
friggin'
The banks are
welfare
bringing
check.
death upon themselves.
Yeah.
We know that full
Yeah.
well. We don't need to sit there and cry it in the streets. We don't need a town crier.
yeah, and everybody's sitting there bitching
The
and
days
moaning.
of the traditional town crier
Yeah.
have been over for a century.
Oh yeah, at least. You see, and most of them were run off back in the 1800s because people got sick of them.
I think it was the advent of rifling.
Yeah, I think so. The advent of the rifle.
The one good thing that the French ever came up with, and this was it. It wasn't the croissant. It wasn't yogurt or any other thing.
Yeah.
It was the rifled barrel. Would you believe that
Yeah.
was invented by a Frenchman?
Yeah, who would have thunk it, right?
That was the single greatest contribution
The French ever did.
that the French ever did. I mean, there's just nothing better.
No.
The rifled barrel.
And then
Rifling.
I'd say the next best invention was the
It increased accuracy and power by
Yeah.
90%. Both ends.
and then I'd say the Gatling gun. The Gatling gun.
Of course, it made wars a
Yeah.
little more vicious and bloody. Maybe just as bloody, but
and
just
increased
quicker.
the accuracy.
It made
of,
battles quicker.
Yeah, and it made the
No
accuracy.
more 2-year sieges of cities, okay?
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
we went from rifled barrels to airplanes and bombs, and the rest
This,
is
that, and the
history.
other,
And
yeah.
who knows what looms around the corner? I've heard talks of super weapons, where they can actually cause earthquakes. The Russians claim to have a weapon that can cause earthquakes,
Wow.
and yeah.
So anyway, we got.
How about that? How about that weapon that scrambles your brain, that makes it so that where you
Yeah.
can't talk,
Yeah.
you can't think, you can't even
Yeah.
walk,
Yeah,
you sit there
turn-
and drool on yourself.
Turn into a
convulsing in
friggin'.
worthless lump of flesh. While the stormtroopers come marching through your cities,
Yeah, we
taking,
gotta
doing
let
whatever they want. Commies.
You see, that's what I say. I say, I agree actually with Michael Savage on this, and we're coming up on to our last 15 seconds of
So
this
we're just
segment.
gonna have to say goodbye.
Yes, and we'll
And
see ya.
Oprah still sucks.
Yes.
By the way.
And we'll see you Monday.
And nobody can say anything about it.
Yes. Because if you don't agree with us, you're hacks. Bye. Have a nice weekend, and we'll see you Monday. We'll have plenty more discussions on these.
Send some comments.
Yes, and these topics and more. All right. God bless y'all. Bye.